I'm Tom, CEO and co-founder here at Brinter, where we develop 3D bioprinted tissue implants with regenerative medicine capabilities for orthopedic repairs in soft tissues, starting with Achilles tendon. So the problem we're addressing is that soft tissue repairs are still slow to heal. For example, Achilles tendon tear takes an average to 9 to 12 months to heal. And there's a lot of complications with multiple hernias and mesh implants in that space. So our products aim for faster healing and lower complications. We are revolutionizing the soft tissue repairs, but with our 3D bioprinting technology. We start with orthopedic products, but we're moving to in the future to other tissues like vascular, cartilage, and in our lifetime we will be able to print human organs. But that's still science fiction today. But we are now opening the floodgates by being the first company to ever 3D bioprint mesh implants. So here at Bio, we're meeting with a lot of companies that are in our space, especially in the biomaterials, where we look to license from academia products that we can utilize for our future tissues. We're also meeting investors as we are raising our rounds in the future for our new future products.